Welcome to section 16 on testing Node.js applications. Now, when we're talking about testing our Node.js apps, we're not talking about manually testing them. That's where we perform some operation in our application and we use our eyes to verify that we're getting the correct result. What I'm talking about is setting up an automated test suite. That's where we write a little bit of code that performs an operation in our app. Then we add a little more code that asserts we got back the result we were expecting. So this is going to help us out tremendously, especially as our application grows. When we start off, we might only have a few features to manually test, and it might only take a couple of minutes, but as our application grows in complexity, that's quickly going to get out of hand. The great thing about an automated test suite is that we write the test case a single time and we can run it as many times as we need to. I could run it 10 times in a minute, one time for every single change I make to the project. That's going to give us a lot of confidence that we're not shipping broken or buggy code to our paying users in production. So in this section, you're going to learn how to set up that automated test suite. Now, even if you don't plan on testing the side project you're working on, I still recommend working through this section, as if you use Node.js in a professional setting, they're likely going to require you to perform some sort of automated testing, and if you work through this section, you'll have the skills to get that done. All right, let's jump right in.